Wicked. So my name is Josh Barrett. I'm a property manager for Stephen Green. We're stood outside one of our latest developments, which is the Grange Business Centre in Billingham. So right in the middle of a lot of industrial sites, big companies like Fujifilm, etc. And this is the latest development. So we've bought this, and at the minute we've got some exciting stuff happening inside to change it around and increase the rental income and also the amount of office space that we've got available on this site. So our tradesman Donny, I'll hand it over to him and he's going to take you through some of the work that they've been doing at the property.
So we're a construction business. Mainly we advertise in damp and specialise in damp mainly, but we're doing some renovation work at the minute, so we're changing some empty spaces into offices at this minute in time. So what we've done is I'll take you around in a minute, but we've split some walls up. So we've put some stud walls up, insulated them, plasterboarded them with soundboards, so there's no sound interference from office to office. There's lads working in the background now, so there's one window needs cutting out. So we've divided the space into 6 different offices. So we'll walk through them and show you through them as well. Yeah, so take you. So this will be the entrance into the main offices. So this will be office 1. So there's someone in here cleaning at the minute, so it may be a bit dusty. So this is office 1. So at the back wall there's going to be a window cut out, so that'll be getting done tomorrow. So that'll get cut out. This will be office 1. There's literally one wall to plaster, door to go on, window to go in tomorrow, completion. So there's 2 walls in here and a door frame to fit left. So this is office 2. We'll squeeze through. So again, this is a freshly new stud wall. So this stud wall wasn't here, so this has been put up. Same vice versa. This is the external to the next office. So we've added on to this. So this will get plastered, flush through. This wall will be done today. And then it's literally the door to go in again. What I'm doing now is doing door frames. If someone wanted to, really, they could split this into an office. If they had an agreement, the lease, they could split this and make themselves 2 separate offices. So this will be office number 3. So as you can see, this is what I was explaining about there. Down there. So this potentially could be one office. So again, this is getting cleaned up. So there's a dividing wall here. This is still one office. It will be rented as one office. Again, this stud wall wasn't here, the same stud wall behind you, but you can see this is all being freshly plastered. This is just where we'll patch into there. So this used to go into the office next door, what you will see in a second. So this is office number 3. So this is where I was explaining we could divide it into 2 different offices if we wanted to. So this will be the entrance to office 4. So we'll come up these set of stairs to this office. So and then we'll go straight into here. So this one's a little bit of a different layout. So we've got the one room here, and you come in, you have to close the door behind you. So and then we can come through here, and that was the wall as we was talking through the other side. And then this is the separate office also in here. And I'll let the camera come round. Again, there's another little cloakroom there, what will be plastered up. So we'll get that plastered up and make that all look really nice and fancy as well. And the plaster's downstairs, so we'll go see if we can catch him. And this is one huge office. Well, I think it's going to be 3, but this first one's a massive one. It possibly could just be rented as a one office. So as again, we're just finishing this last room. Once that plaster is done, this room is completed. We'll clean up, get everything out of here, hand it back. We'll be getting new carpets, everything coming through. So the carpets haven't been protected too much. So if we're just going to squeeze past Ethan, can I just squeeze past you, mate? Cheers, bro. So Ethan used to be my apprentice. Ethan now works for himself, so Ethan subcontracts for us. So Ethan has his own business up and running. So again, this is the second office. So we've got a door dividing again, and then again, another big office. So again, I'm just going to tell you a few little things, just what we're going to finish it off with. This will all be windowsill, so it'll be plastic UPVC, because these are just all battered and chipped now. We wanted to save them, but they can't be. On the side of the windows, so we can't plasterboard with it being such a thin section of window. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some thin ply on, same vice versa. As you can see, there's like tiny little bits of plasterboard and wood. We're going to put a bit of wood across them, so that'll finish it off nicely. Tweak around here slightly, just with the thickness. we have to look at stuff like that. Again, electrician's been in, done his first fix, plumber's been in, done his first fix, electrician's been in, done his second. We're just waiting some radiators going on, and it's happy days. I think we've turned this over in 4 weeks. So the way to find us is to look through the PIA. We give massive discounts through the PIA also. I've been in the PIA, guys, now 7 years. I am elite, my partner is elite. All through this, so like you say, if you're not in the PIA, be in the PIA. Search it, get it up. It's a place to be, guys. That's what I would definitely recommend. There's also a lot of other people in the PIA what can give you a lot of help. So there's a lot of builders, so we don't do all kinds of renovation work. So as you can see, we're waiting for the roof to be done. There's roofers in the PIA. It's just a beneficial course all the way around. You benefit all the time. You pay in once and you benefit forever.